Hello, hello friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's the second of the month, so that means it's time to share my sheetload of cards. If you're new to my channel or new to Sheetload of Cards, it is a monthly printable that Alicia from Call Me Crafty Owl puts out for free. All you need to do is be a subscriber of her channel. I will have all the information linked in the description box below. On the first of the month, she debuts the Sheetload of Cards sketch and the printable, the cutting guide, and the sketch and supply list. And then on the second of the month, she shares her process video, and then she has a team of collaborators both here on YouTube and Instagram, and we all share our creations that we have made with that month's sheetload. To find all of the collaborators' videos, there is a hashtag in my title, also in the description box. Just click on that and it'll bring up everybody's videos. So it'll be easy peasy to find all the gorgeous creations. If you're on Instagram, you can also click on the hashtag there. Sorry, lost my train of thought. Again, everything is in the description box below. Make sure that you do go to Call Me Crafty Owl's channel and make sure you're subscribed and get the sheetload for yourself. This month was a special edition, a double card fun fold, and it takes 3 12 by 12 pattern papers and then 5 cardstocks, makes 6 cards. Again, there's the sketch, there's the cutting guide. She gives also little alternatives. Super, super awesome. So this month I decided to play with the Craft & Kimmy Sweet as Can Be stamp set. I think this is one of my most favorite stamp sets. I don't know if I've shared it here on my channel or not. One of my bucket list items is to own a beehive. We are in the process of turning one of our backyard like little hills into like a flower garden slash bee food garden, butterfly garden, whatever you want to call it. So I'm super excited about that. I have several friends that have beehives and they're sharing information with me. And as it gets closer to me, maybe actually getting one. I don't know. I have to look into the laws of the city or whatever. But yes, so I love bees. Sorry for the little ramble there. It's one of those days. So super, super duper cute stamp set. I also use some inks from Stamping Up, Daffodil Delight, and Elegant Eggplant. And then my handy dandy banners Pick-a-Punch from Stamping Up. It saves me because I do not do well at hand cutting the banners out. My paper I cannot show you because I was using some from my stash, and this were the last 3 sheets that were like I had in my cards. So on to the cards. Here is the first one. Again, it takes those 3 papers. I will say that I think that I messed up the way that the fun fold is. I had mine open this way, but I think that this piece goes under here and it opens the other way. But that's the great thing about Sheetload, is that you can make it your own. So all of mine open like a double book here. So I have 2 of this design, Honey Kisses and Beautiful Wishes. Have a little bee stamped there, and then it opens again and I have another little bee stamped there. So super cute. I love those little bees. So there's 2 of that design. And then I have 2 of this design. I'm so lucky to be your friend. Again, it opens up and there's one little bee. Open up and there's another little bee. I thought these papers just went so well with my little bees. And then I have 2 more of this one. Happy birthday, bee, because you're so special, or you're special. So again, that opens there and opens there. It is a super fun fold. Super fun fold. Blah, blah, blah. Words are hard today. I apologize. But it was so easy to create. I have plans to make it the right way a little bit later in the month. My beginning of this month is kind of jam-packed because Crafty Al and I are going on a road trip. So I'm trying to get everything ready beforehand And I'm sure that we will share our fun, crafty road trip with you. Again, I'm rambling. Normally, I don't ramble this much. Thanks so much for stopping by. Be sure to click on the hashtag so you can see everybody else's creations. These are my SheetLoad June 2022 SheetLoad of cards. Happy bee stamps and just super fun. Thanks so much for stopping by. Have an amazing day.